It supports upgrades from .NET Framework, .NET Core, and older .NET versions to the latest release. Still running applications on .NET Framework? Let's see how .NET Upgrade Assistant can help modernize your projects in minutes.
The tool scans your application, identifies compatibility issues, and suggests fixes before migration.
Manual upgrades can be difficult. Dependency conflicts, deprecated APIs, and configuration changes often slow down the migration process. .NET Upgrade Assistant is a Microsoft tool that analyzes, upgrades, and modernizes your .NET applications.
The Upgrade Assistant updates NuGet packages and helps resolve dependency conflicts.
In Visual Studio, simply right-click your project and launch the Upgrade Assistant workflow.